part from the diaphragm. As you breathe in, diaphragm pulls down, stomach comes out. And then your cervical, in the middle portion of your rib cage expands, then all the way to the collarbone. 3 parts. Inhale long, deep. Exhale fully all the air out. Observe yourself. Observing how the belly is coming out, how your rib cage is expanding, how your chest is rising. Observe that. Good. Now this is you are inwards now, thinking about yourself. You are healing yourself with each breath. Let's pay our gratitude to your God that you are living, that today is a nice day today, you are alive, you are breathing, full of life, and शुक्राना कीजिए भगवान का और हमारे मीट एंड ग्रीट क्लब का, कम्युनिटी सेंटर का, सबका शुक्राना कीजिए। हम यहाँ पे इकट्ठे बैठे हैं, सत्संग में बैठे हैं। वैसे each but we are exchanging energy from each other. All the souls have different energies. We are exchanging our energies, receiving and emitting, inhaling, exhaling, deep breath in, deep breath out. Yoga is not only physical. Your mental, physical, spiritual, inhaling deeply, exhaling fully. Take 2 more deep breaths in. Few normal breaths. Just rub your hands gently and place it only on your face. Only on your face, and then bring your hands down and place them on your knees. So this is the introduction for the first pranayama. If you keep doing this pranayama, it will be beneficial. Whole body gets energized. All your vital organs are activated. Your vital systems, right from the lungs, respiration, and your heart, your circulation, and the mind, your mind, brain, nervous system. Those control the body. With the breath only, feel yourself, energize yourself. Let's do some micro exercises now. Stretch your legs out and start moving your toes, only the toes. अंगूठा और उंगलियां पैर की, उनको मोड़ो, स्ट्रेच करो और चौड़ खोल दो पूरा। एंकल जॉइंट बाद में करेंगे, सिर्फ पहले इसका टोज को करेंगे, सिर्फ टोज को स्क्वीज एंड स्ट्रेच, स्क्वीज एंड स्ट्रेच, स्क्वीज एंड स्ट्रेच। ये जॉइंट जो ऐसा है, ये अगर आप पर्पजली करेंगे तभी होगा, अदरवाइज कहीं नहीं होता, अपने आप नहीं होता है, कोई एक्सरसाइज में नहीं होता है। तो ये खुद करना चाहिए। यहाँ पे जो डायबिटिक लोग हैं, सबको है, उनको पता है कि कैसे सब प्रेशर अपने टोज में चला जाता है, तो फिर नाखून भी नहीं काटने, कुछ नहीं करना। इसलिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है अपने टोज को मूव करना। ठीक है, अब सारे पैर अंदर, अपने सारे पैर अंदर की बाहर खींचिए टोज को, फिर अपने टोज को अंदर ले आइए, हील को बाहर पुश कीजिए। Push your toes out, then bring the toes in, push the heels out. Give yourself a good stretch. Toes out, heels out. What you're doing, you're strengthening your quadriceps and hamstrings. Inhale, exhale. You can do it. You can take care of yourself. These joints only. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale. Last one. Bring your feet down. 1 foot out. Make circles. Only the ankle joint is moving, circling. Good. Your mind is there on your ankle. It's not going here and there. Fix it here only. and go to the other side. And I'm taking care of myself. I'm taking care of my joints. Bring it down, the other one. If you do with your mind, mindfully do it, you get extra benefit. Mind heals you. I want to be healthy, remain healthy all the time. And bring your feet down, move forward a little bit, stretch your both the feet out. On the heels are touching the floor. Move your feet in and out. The movement goes to the hip joint. Movement is going to the hip joint. Now bring your feet and knees together, hands on your knees, do butterfly. Feet are open now. Push the knees in and then out. Push the knees in and then out. Breathe out, breathe in. Last one. Now hold your right leg under the knee and you can move your foot up and down, knee joint. You can leave it here. If you are flexible, you can pull the knee up, all the way up to here, or all the way up to the chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Wherever you are, just keep moving it. Wherever you are. And make circles. Other way. And bring it down. The other one. Lift it up, move it up and down, wherever you are. Even if you are here, no problem, Still moving, still moving. When you give it up, then all your hip joint also gets affected. You gotta push there too. And circling. Other way. Good job now then. And now still we are, legs are very important for us. We need to take care of all the joints and muscles because we want to remain on our feet. If you lose your feet, lose your walking, then you are dependent upon somebody. Now right foot on the left knee. Otherwise right foot on the left foot. If you cannot bring it up, just place it here. Move this side to side. One at a time. And lift it from the knee and move it side to side. You can move it. You cannot do it. You move it like this. You can move it like this. And the other one. Pull it up, push it down. Breathe out, breathe in. And hold it and move it side to side. These are all Sukshma Vyayam, light exercises. They are not postures. These are only light yogic exercises because we are doing with the breath. And now bring your legs out and let's move our spine now. We run up to the hip joints. Let's move our spine. Hold the hands together. You can move it sides, make circles. You can move your circles right here only, but moving the circle, moving the body. You're moving your shoulders, moving up. Bring your shoulders down and up, down and up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale all the way up and down. Inhaling all the way up circle. Inhale, circle. Okay. Arms don't go up. Arms don't go up. Arms don't go up. You're moving your whole body like this. And other way, circle on the other side. You're moving your spine. And when you come forward, hold the posture for a few seconds. Actually, when you are on the floor, this is called Paschimottanasana. Hold it, take your breath. Paschimottanasana. Slowly raise yourself up. And you're sitting here, the spine was moving back and forth. We will move side to side now. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, side of the spine is stretching out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last one, good. Now twisting your spine. Bring both the hands to the right side. Hold the chair. You twist like this. Hold the chair like with both the hands. Look at हम व्यायाम करते हैं, सिर्फ सूक्ष्म व्यायाम करते हैं, वो तो हम हर सांस के साथ अपनी बॉडी को हिलाते हैं। तो वो व्यायाम है, हम योग है, वो भी पार्ट ऑफ योग है। और वैसे भी जो योगा करने के लिए सारे जो हम अपने आप को वार्म अप करते हैं, तो क्या करने के लिए? मन को शांत करने के लिए। अल्टीमेट एम जो है, लास्ट जो एम है, वो उसका है मन शांत करने के लिए। तो उसको करने के लिए तैयारी करते हैं हम, यम नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, ध्यान, धारणा, समाधि, अष्टांग योग करके तब हम पहुँचते हैं। तब हम पहुँचते हैं और अपने मन को शांत करने के लिए। योगा से चित्त वृत्ति निरोध, दैट इज द अल्टीमेट एम ऑफ योग। तो उसके लिए तैयार करने के लिए तो हम अभी तो इस समय तो हम थोड़ा सा अपने को वार्म अप करेंगे। मैं सिर्फ बैकग्राउंड बता रही हूँ कि योग इतना पुराना है। जब काफी हजारों साल पहले क्या होता था, शिष्य जो गुरु था वो अपने शिष्य को बता देता। शिष्य कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं करते कि गुरु जी ये क्यों है, ये क्यों है। जो गुरु जी ने बता दिया वही करना है। वैसे ही चलता आ रहा था। और फिर पतंजलि ऋषि आए, उन्होंने ग्रंथ लिखा। उस ग्रंथ में उन्होंने सारा हर एक पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट उन्होंने लिखा उसमें ग्रंथ में कि कहाँ से शुरू करना है और कहाँ पहुँचना है। या यम नियम से शुरू करके हम समाधि तक पहुँचेंगे, अष्टांग योग। तो हम अब इस समय क्या करेंगे, हम थोड़ा सा अपने आप को वार्म अप करेंगे और अपने इस हम लोग इस स्थिति में पहुंचे हुए हैं कि लास्ट अपना संन्यास आश्रम में पहुंचे हुए हैं। हम लोग संन्यास आश्रम में पहुंचे हुए हैं। तो अपने आप को धीरे धीरे हम अपने आप को धीरे धीरे इतना स्वस्थ रखें कि हम अपने पैरों पे खड़े रहें और ऐसे ही चले जाएं, ऐसे ही चले जाएं आराम से, कोई किसी को कष्ट न दे, कुछ ना करे। तो अच्छा, तो हम अब ऐसे करेंगे, हम अपने आप को वार्म अप करते हैं। आप सब लोग खड़े हो सकते हैं, तो खड़े हो जाइए प्लीज, और हल्की हल्की वार्म अप कीजिए। ये थोड़ी सी मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन ऐसी की है जो कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस के लिए मैंने कहा चलो कुछ बोलती हूँ थोड़ा बहुत। हल्की हल्की वार्म कीजिए। हर एक का जो शरीर है वो अलग है, तो अपने स्वास्थ्य के सेहत के अनुसार अपनी मूवमेंट कीजिए। और किसी को ये नहीं कि वो ज़्यादा कर रहा है, मैं इतना कर रही हूँ, जितना भी होता है वो उतना मूव कर लीजिए। हल्की हल्की वॉक करेंगे। अगर जॉब करना चाहते हैं तो जॉब भी कर सकते हो आप, जॉब करना चाहते हो जॉब भी कर सकते हो, पर लेकिन धीरे धीरे भी करो, धीरे धीरे करो, वॉक करो, जॉब करो, अपने हिसाब से करते रहो।
अगला करेंगे हम इसमें हम अपनी लिम्स को यूज करेंगे। पूरी राइट आर्म, लेफ्ट लेग पीछे, ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट, ब्रीद इन, हील पीछे ले जाओ, घुटना ऊपर नहीं करना, पीछे लाना है, ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट, सांस में सांस करेंगे, श्वासों के साथ, सांस अंदर बाहर, ऊपर नीचे, इनहेल एक्सहेल, इनहेल एक्सहेल, ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट। फोकस ऑन योरसेल्फ, अपने मन से देखिए कहाँ कहाँ आपकी मूवमेंट हो रही है, क्या आप मूव कर रहे हैं, कहाँ स्ट्रेस फील कर रहे हैं, ताकि मन आपका अपने पास ही रहे, इधर भागे मत। मन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, बहुत आवश्यक है ये। ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट, सांस लीजिए सांस छोड़ दीजिए, सांस लीजिए सांस छोड़ दीजिए। लास्ट वन, अब हाथ कमर पे रखिए और घुटना ऊपर लाएंगे, ब्रीद आउट ब्रीद इन। अगर किसी को होल्ड करना है, किसी को तो होल्ड करके कर सकते हैं। ब्रीद आउट ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, because we breathe out, you push in the thigh to your belly, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. प्लीज अपने देखिए क्या मूव कर रहे हैं आप, कहाँ पे स्ट्रेच फील कर रहा है, हो रही है स्ट्रेच आपको। लास्ट, गुड जॉब। अब देखिए थोड़े से पैर खोल लीजिए, अब थोड़ा सा अपना सांस लीजिए और थोड़ा सा नीचे को मूव कीजिए, ब्रीद इन एंड ब्रीद आउट, breathe in, she gets back and down, inhale, exhale, सांस लीजिए सांस छोड़ दीजिए। लास्ट वन, गुड, लेग्स वाइड ओपन और थोड़ा खोल दीजिए, हाथ को पकड़ लीजिए। ये मूवमेंट लेग्स की है, हाथों की नहीं है, हाथ तो ऐसे पकड़ने हैं। सांस लीजिए, एक घुटना मोड़िए, दूसरा पूरा सीधा, बिल्कुल सीधा। ब्रीथ आउट हियर, ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट, ब्रीथ आउट। वन लेग स्ट्रेट, अदर नी बेंड, ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट। मूव कीजिए, मूव जितना होता है, हल्का हल्का मूव होता है तो वैसे ही कर लीजिए। लास्ट वन, ओके, नाउ राइट फुट फॉरवर्ड, हिप्स आर टुवर्ड्स योर नी, हाथ कमर पे, अगला घुटना मोड़िए, सांस छोड़ दीजिए, छाती अपना चेस्ट आगे कीजिए, ब्रीथ आउट 4 टाइम्स। अब ऊपर आ जाइए, दूसरा घुटना मोड़िए, दूसरा चेंज कर लीजिए, ब्रीथ आउट ब्रीथ इन। एक बारी फिर चेंज कर लेते हैं, 4 बारी धीरे, हम धीरे धीरे करते हैं सीनियर्स के लिए। हम मैं तो वैसे भी सुपर सीनियर हूँ, लास्ट सुपर मराठी। आई एम आल्सो कैंसर सर्वाइवर, आई एम 88 years old. Same.
You are the youngest one.
Inhale up, open your arms, look up, arms together, exhale down. Inhale up, open the arms together, breathe out. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, open the arms, bring your arms together. Bring them down. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in up and breathe, bring your arms down. Last one. And down. Now your legs are about hip distance apart, little wider than hips. Go to the side. Breathe out. Inhale up. Exhale as you bend down. Breathe in and breathe out as you stretch to the side. Your lungs, your chest, your spine. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good job. You're looking good. And last one. Good. Bring your legs hip distance down, arms in the front. Palms facing each other. Inhale. Bring your arms to the right. Everybody go to the right. Exhale. And inhaling, come back in the center. Exhale to the left. Looking in the left hand. Turn your head along. Breathe out. If you go to one side, everybody looks so good. The people look so good going on one side. Exhale, right. And then go to the left. Go to the left. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right, looking at the hand or back wall. Twisting your cervical, your head. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Come back in the center, bring your arms down. Right now we are going to stretch ourselves up. So there are two ways we'll do it. First, hold your hand and come up on your toes. If you find difficult, hold this here, just simply come on your toes. Simply inhale, exhale. Inhale, give yourself a good stretch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Come on your toes and then down. Stretching your whole body up. Last one. Good. We are now going to be bending forward and bending backward for the whole spine. For this one, everybody listen to your body. So even gentle movements help. Not that you can, I cannot bend, don't say that. Just still breathe in, breathe out. You will get benefit. Inhale up and bend back. Exhaling, bend forward. You can bring your hands to the knees or down, wherever you reach. Inhale up, exhale back, inhale up, inhaling up, bending back, exhaling, bending forward. Breathe in up and breathe out down. You guys listening to your body, we are doing very gently. We are not in a hurry, no rush. Spine very delicate. Your body is delicate at this time. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathe in up, breathe out all the way down. This time when you go down, wherever you are, even if you hold this posture. 30 seconds hold. Few seconds hold. Hold. Few seconds more. Hold it. Slowly raise your spine now. And legs wide open. Legs wide open. Arms stretched out. Turn your arms to the side, then bend down. Bend down. Breathe out. Inhale up. Rotate your arms and go down. Look at the back arms. Inhale up. Rotate your arms and breathe out down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Gently we are doing. You're doing good job. Inhale up, taking care of yourself. Actually, this time, full-time job. Seniors taking care of yourself, do full-time job. If you want to remain healthy, inhale up, exhale down. Last time. And have a seat, everybody. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Have a seat. Wow.
Oh my God.
Please be quiet. You have created some energy. Absorb it. Please quietly sit down. Listen to your breath. Absorb the energy. Quietly. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. There's lots of energy in the body. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Give yourself a second so your breath settles down. Breath settles down.
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Place the hands on your
माइक नीचे गिर गया।
Oh, okay. Sorry.
नीचे आवाज।
I moved. I was moving too, so this also moved. Now, quietly sitting down, listening, observing yourself. Closing your eyes. Observe how you are breathing now. Breath has settled down. Has it become normal? Close your eyes. Be with yourself now. Be with yourself. And we are going to be just now listening to your breath. I have one moment here. If anybody hasn't bought the tickets for the Friday, please come one by one and you can go to Urmila and then she can give you the ticket. One by one. Alright, no disturbance. So as you are sitting down, quietly, hands in Gyan Mudra. Hands in Gyan Mudra. As your breath has become silent, normal, start feeling the sensation of the breath in your nostrils. The sensation, very gentle sensations are there in the nostrils, in your throat. There's a movement. You can feel the sensation. Be with yourself. Gentle sensation. And when you are breathing out, there is a pressure of breath. Feel the pressure of the breath on your upper lip. The pressure. Right side, left side. Two nostrils. Maybe you'll feel one side is more active than the other. The more pressure on one side than the other. This is very normal. You might feel one side more pressure. You have Ida Pingala Nadis, and then both of them get together, they go to become a Sushmana Nadi. So, and either can be active Ida or Pingala, okay? No problem. You are observing the pressure in your nostrils, flow. Observe the movement in your abdominal area, chest area. There is a movement in the abdominal area and the chest area. Gentle movements. This is life. You can watch it from far. Also, the person, the rise and fall in the chest and the belly. This is life. Just do a big pranayam now. Bhastrika pranayam for seniors, very gentle sensation. And now start taking long deep breath in through the nose, inhaling long. Exhaling also fluid from the nostrils, all the air out.
This is called Vastrika Pranayam or 3-part yogic step. Is okay now? Sorry.
पीछे वाला
Just
प्रश्न
move. When I move this also just upright. With the left hand make Vayu Mudra and with the thumb touch the two fingers. Thumb touches, index finger is down, thumb is up. Index finger is down, thumb is up. With the thumb touch the middle two fingers. With the left hand only. Index finger is down. Hold it with the thumb. Thumb is right there. Touch them like this. Good job. Now bring the hand down. This is Vayu and Apan Mudra. And now with the right hand, bring the hand down. Left hand down. Place it on the thigh. With the right hand, close the right nostril. Inhale from the left. Long breath. Close right. Close left. Exhale from the right. Inhale right. Close right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Listen to the me. Then keep on moving like that. No. You have to listen. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. You are exhaling and inhaling from the same side. Inhale, close and then switch. Exhale. Inhale. Close. Switch. Exhale. Inhale. Close. And then switch. Other side. 3 actions. Breathe out. Breathe in. Close it. And other side. Breathe out. Breathe in. Close and switch to the other side. Keep on doing. Remain focused on your breath. Take long breath. No hurry. Give yourself time. And give yourself time, the energy to be absorbed. It's very, very beneficial for people suffering from heart problems. For all your vital organs. There are so many benefits. You just keep doing. People say, your benefits I am telling you, might you get this. No, just keep doing it. You will find the change on your own. अपने आप आपको पता लगेगा अगर आप करते रहिए अपने आप को कम से कम 5 मिनट के नॉन स्टॉप करिए. शुरू कीजिए 2 मिनट से 5 मिनट तक नॉन स्टॉप कीजिए. करिए थोड़े और राउंड. जब आपका राउंड लेफ्ट से आप साइड निकाल देंगे तब अपना हाथ नीचे ले आइए और आंखें बंद करिए रखिए और थोड़ी देर के लिए आराम से बैठिए. मूव नहीं करना, बात नहीं करनी. अब आंखें खुली. अब हम थोड़ी सी, अगर आपको कोई थक गए हैं तो मैं बंद भी कर सकती हूँ जल्दी, नहीं तो और मैं 10 मिनट और भी करवा सकती हूँ. कहाँ है डॉक्टर साहब बताइए. 5 मिनट. ओके, अभी बोले 5 मिनट और कर लेते हैं, फिर मैं तो आधा घंटा और भी करवा सकती हूँ. शिवाजी चलिए थोड़ी सी बाहों की शुरू करते हैं. मैं तो फिर इकट्ठे करके इनको जरा इस साइड, knuckles, side and wrist. Touch all the corners. Touch. Go slow. Go slow. Feel that you are touching all the corners. Moving your wrist in a good circular way. Good circular way. Don't change now on the other side.
And hands on your shoulders, elbows together. Now make just circles. Inhale, arms up. And exhale down. Breathe in and breathe out. Try to do as wider as you can. Shoulder joint. And when you go back, squeeze your shoulder blades. When you come up, try to touch your elbows. Go other way, down and up. Down and all the way up. Last one. अब हम गर्दन की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. This is also another very delicate and tender joint, cervical spine. People have upon having some problems, vertigo and all that. So we must try to activate our cervical spine. Look at the front first. We'll do with the breath. Inhale here. Turn your head to the right, stretch and breathe out. Start inhaling. Come to the left. Give yourself a stretch and then exhale. With the mindfully, do it mindfully. Your mind is now on your neck area. Inhaling, exhale and stretch. Stretch and exhale. Stretch and exhale, side to side. Side to side. Last one. Come back to the center. Raise your head up. Look toward the ceiling. Push your chin up. Then bringing your chin down. Exhaling. Chin down to the chest. Exhale. Inhaling up. Push the chin up. Give yourself stretch. And coming down. Push your chin down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Center. Now drop your head down to the shoulder. Push your upper ear up. Push your ear down. Upper ear down. And exhale on the other side. Push with the ear. Feel the stretch on the side of the neck. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Come back to the center. Drop your head forward. Gentle roll your head gently. Try to roll as wide as you can. Gently rolling, no hurry, no rush, no push. Gently. One more round. And go to the other side. And come back to the center. Now we'll do with the eyes. For the eyes, you look up toward the ceiling, then on the floor. As high as you can up, look up and to the floor. Up and down. You can give yourself good stretch. Up all the way up and down. And go to the right, extreme right and then extreme left. Make circle, wide circle, up ceiling, side wall, floor, side wall. Just try to look at each far away point. Change direction. Close your eyes tight, very tight, and wide open. Tight, wide open. Now place your palms on your eyes for a few seconds. Only palming your eyes. We'll do Bhramari Pranayama for 5 times. Bhramari Pranayama, you inhale through the nose, closing your ears, eyes, and then as you exhale, put pressure
Make sound and you feel the vibration. When you are putting pressure, you will have a loud sound. Now close the eyes here like this. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, tummy sound. Your eyes closed, hands in Gyan Mudra, and you will chant Om for 3 times. Inhale. Quietly sit, silent breathing. Quietly sitting, silently breathing. Silently breathing. Now relax into your chair. You can stretch your legs out. Place the hands on your thighs. Fingers are open. I'll give you 2 minutes and guide you for a relaxation. Just let go, let the whole weight sink into the seat of the chair and the back of the chair. And just let go here. Start breathing. First breathe in, breathe out. Start relaxing your whole body right from the toes. Focus on your toes, soles of your feet, heels, ankle joint, lower legs, knees, right knee, left knee, thighs, all around your thighs, and the hip joints. Relax your both the legs. Let go. Let the whole weight sink down. Relax your hips, abdominal area, chest area. Relax. Let the whole weight of your belly, abdominal area sinks into the back of your body, into your spine. Relaxing your lower spine, base of your spine, middle spine, and all the way up. Relax your shoulders. Focus on your arms, relaxing your fingers, wrist joint, lower arms, elbows, upper arms, and the shoulder joint. Relaxing your fingers. There's nothing in your hand. Let go. Nothing there. Just relaxing. Nothing holding. Relax the throat area, sides and back of your neck. Focus on the back of your neck, crown of your head, forehead, and the temples area. This whole area is your brain, your mind. Relax. Relax your mind. Soften your eyes, your ears, your cheeks, your lower jaw. Relax your tongue. Few breaths, observe yourself. Let go. Gently move your fingers, wiggle your toes, and slowly sit up properly. Bring your hands in a prayer position and we say a prayer. May all be happy.
May all be happy.
May all be healthy.
May all be healthy.
May all enjoy prosperity.
May all enjoy prosperity.
May none suffer.
May none suffer. Thank you.
everybody. I want to show you something. I have been a volunteer with the organization Family Services of Peel since 2011, and I have been regularly volunteering their yoga, 1 hour yoga every Tuesday, and they have honored me. They have
आपका माइक
Hello, and this is a trophy they gave it to me as a volunteer. That is almost 14 years. And this organization is very old. There is the 54th annual general meeting. The function has been there. 54 years. Family Services of Peel. That is the organization. Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Thank you.
1 घंटे का योगा आप सबने एंजॉय किया और इसको हम डेजिग्नेट करेंगे इंटरनेशनल डे योगा जो 21 को होता है, हमने 18 को कर लिया। बहुत अच्छा लगा, हमने खूब एंजॉय किया। ये जो ट्रॉफी इन्होंने दिखाई है वो इनको वॉलंटियरशिप में मिली है, जो ये योगा रेगुलरली करती हैं फैमिली सर्विसेज ऑफ पील में। और आपने इनका देखा होगा कि ये जो पील पुलिस का कैलेंडर होता है उसमें भी इनकी फोटो आती है, वहां भी वॉलंटियर करती हैं, बहुत जगह वॉलंटियर करती हैं। मैंने आपसे कहा कि जितने योगा के टीचर थे उनको ढूंढने में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। जैसे जैसे ज्वाइन करते गए मन को बड़ी तसल्ली हुई और मेरी ये ख्वाहिश थी कि मिसेस अटवाल जो है ये कभी हमारे क्लब में भी योगा करवाए। पहुजा जी इनको बहुत कोशिश से जब ये आए हमारे साथ जुड़े तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा, ये हमारे अपने हैं। सभी आप सभी को जोड़ते हुए अपने साथ मिलाते हुए बड़ी खुशी होती थी और आज हमारा बहुत समृद्ध क्लब है, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच इस योगा के लिए, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
डॉक्टर साहब ने मुझे इतना टाइम दे दिया, मैं बहुत शुक्राना करती हूँ उनका, थैंक यू करती हूँ उनको, इन्होंने मुझे इतना टाइम दे दिया। नहीं तो टाइम नहीं होता है इनके पास कुछ और।
इस समय की आज थोड़ा हमारा मन,
आज अंतरराष्ट्रीय योग दिवस बना लिया मैंने तो।
अभी बाकी सबके साथ मनाएंगे। सभी जितने योग गुरु हैं, संतोष जी बैठी हुई हैं, मैं किस किस का नाम लूं? सभी हीरे हैं, सभी
देव जी भी आए हुए हैं।
हाँ, पहुजा जी का मैंने कहा कि ये सभी जैसे जुड़े, और मिसेस भल्ला भी आज नहीं आई है लेकिन वो हमारे क्लब में ज्वाइन किया, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं सभी योगा टीचर्स का बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ और हर एक का नाम ना लेते हुए मैं ये कहूँ, और योगा टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां।